in the place, in your face. It's your boy. That boy can cook, y'all. Back at you. Today we're gonna be doing something very simple, super simple. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. Super simple, delicious party food. It is hot ham and cheese sliders. Sounds good. Is good. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. That boy can cook. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Now let's get to these hot ham and cheese sliders. Now let's get to it. As you can see, we have some brioche style butter rolls, dinner rolls. You can use Hawaiian rolls, you can use dinner rolls like I just said. Your choice, your world, you make it happen how you choose to. But I am using brioche style butter buns. Of course, we got the deli cut ham, cheddar cheese, and some garlic butter we made up in the kitchen. There it is. Righty, let's get it split. And we're just gonna slice it in the middle and split it as such. Wish I would have had a bread knife, but I don't, so I am making use of what I have. There you go. We're gonna layer 2 bottoms as such. Now let's just hit it with the cheese. Hit you with the cheese. All right, family. And normally what I found out in this recipe, I would put my ham and then I would cover it up and I would go ahead and throw it in the oven and bake it. But my cheese don't get melted like I want it to. So we're going to place it under broil and we're going to melt our cheese. Not fully, but semi-fully. So we can get the cheesiness, the gooiness we want. All right, y'all. This is what I am looking for. Right there. Let's get it mostly melted. That way we can have the gooey. All right, family, as you can see, we have our cheese melted on both ends of the bun. So now we're just going to add our ham. As such. And there we go. So place the boy on top. As such. Same here. Alrighty. Now we're going to take our garlic herb butter. Make sure we got the garlics and the herbs right to the front. Alright. And then we're just going to brush these, family. Just going to brush them. Make sure we get them all covered and delicious. As such. There we go. All right, family, now we're going to pop these in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to come back and we're going to baste them again. And then we're going to cook them off, finish cooking them off maybe another 7 to 10 minutes. All right, family, let's get these in the oven. All right, everybody, as we can see, our sliders are done. Look at that. Nice and crispy, fluffy on the inside. Let's get them out of here so we can cut them. Got some cheese melted to the edge. That's all right. There we go. Let's get up under there and get them up out of here. Yeah, there it is. Come on off of there. There we go. As such. Let me get this out of the way. Still hot there. Get to the front part. So we're just gonna take our sliders and we're just gonna really cut them as such. Bread is nice and crunchy on the outside, nice and soft and warm on the inside. As such. There we have it, people. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Hot ham and cheese. That boy can cook style, y'all. That's what that is. Winner, hot chicken dinner. Awesome football party food. Hot ham and cheese sliders. That's it, y'all. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing when we're doing it.